Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable or disable Microsoft Edge vertical tabs. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Appearance. Click Turn on, show vertical tableaus for all current browser windows. Click Tab Actions menu, click Turn off vertical tabs. You can also enable vertical tabs, click Tab Actions menu, click Turn on vertical tabs. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.